welcome to the 3D Smiths. My name is Jack, and on the camera we have Calvin. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of set cleanup and preparations to make it better. You know, we got this ugly wall back here. We got, like there's literally mats for my climbing wall, just like in here, but let's get into it.
After removing the old climbing mats from the room, we're going to take some old fence boards and sand them, and then stain them with some Danish oil.
Okay, so just an update. We've moved the carpet out of the way. We've set up our own little space here. We got tarps so we don't get a whole bunch of dust everywhere. Sanding, we're gonna get a vacuum to hook up to the thing really quick, and then we're gonna get some old fence boards up here, and we're gonna stick them on the wall. So I'd say we probably have enough sanded down. We got some of these ones sanded down. We're gonna leave some of them gray to kind of add to the color palette of kind of the woody color, working sort of like a finish on some of the pieces to make them like, a nice bright color, kind of bring out the tones in them a little bit more red, hopefully. Okay, so with the Danish oil, I have this rag here. It's like a cotton rag, and I have a heat gun. The heat gun's gonna help you basically open the pores on the wood. So you're gonna start out by, of course, unscrewing the cap. Okay, so you take it, basically you're gonna get some on the cloth, and then you're gonna wipe it on. You see it gets that nice red look in there. And that's kind of the look we're going for with it. So once you got your first coat on there, you're gonna wanna take your heat gun, you wanna open it up, you wanna heat it up just a little bit, kind of get it to soak in nice.
After sanding and staining the old fence boards, we're going to cut them into varying lengths to make the wall more interesting. And then we're going to use a nail gun to nail the boards onto the wall. Nailing the boards onto the wall was really quite simple. We just had to make sure that the first board was nice and level, and then the rest were easy. Alright, so this is the old ugly wall, and now this is the new snazzy wall. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.